Here is an absolutely amazing pipe from Cooke of Vermont, and JT's by far my favorite carver, or American carver I should say, and his sandblast job is just absolutely amazing and uncomparable to anything else. And this, as you can see, is a really large half bent Volcano style sitter pipe, and you can set it down, take a break whenever you'd like. And this is a big boy, it'll fill up your entire palm, no doubt. And of course you get that unbelievable Cooke sandblast job all the way around the pipe. Such deep blast. Nobody does it like Cooke. And if you're thinking to commission any pipe from him, get ready to wait at least 2 years. That's his waiting list time. And as you can see, this is very thick bull walls, no char on the rim, nothing like that. Stem is flawless. And this piece is fully restored, sanitized, and ready to smoke. It's marked handmade by Cooke, US Vermont, 2012, OGF. And you can see just the extremely deep blast job right there. Quick close up. Absolutely amazing. So again, a gorgeous piece, a nice large size Volcano style half bent pipe from Cooke, ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.